stay tuned. Reports of people catching white bass here. See if we can catch some. Alright, so the jig straight down the boat with a blade bait. Hopefully they'll take it. Got one too. Oh, you got one too? Yep. Double up. On the drop. Woo. Oh, baby. Oh. The guy right on the bottom. Come on, stop it, calm down. All right, nice molly. See how much he weighs. £2, 0.02 ounce. Come on, stop it. Come on, stop it. Yeah, it's got a lawyer. white bass. I mean, we did got some. Not as much as we want. Not the type of action. So we went bank fishing. Not bank fishing. Casting about around the shoreline for smallies. And there was only one place to produce. And that was it. So now we're back to the perch spot that we fished about 2 years ago, I believe. See if they're still, see if they are here. If not, maybe some crappies. We'll see. Oh, Mo. Oh, they're here. Perch are here. Just need to get a bigger one.
Yeah, this would be a big one. Bigger size.
Tough day today. Like every other video that I've been saying, right? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Just not finding the quality fish that we're looking for. Maybe it's time of the month. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are struggling too. But I think we're gonna wrap this up. Get back to the cities. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.